4 ideas to help you find your passion when you're not feeling it. The world is so good at making life appear so simple. Just find your passion and everything's great. While this seems fairly simple and even easy to do, it's not. Sometimes finding your passion can feel impossibly hard, especially if right now you're discouraged or feeling out of sorts. So how do you go about finding your passion when passion is the furthest thing from your mind? Take a break. What good does it do to keep hammering away at doing something which isn't working? It's definitely past time to take a break. Walk away, do something for a bit. Better yet, take a weekend off and just relax. Go on a trip, see something new, spend time with friends. Think about the hard stuff later, after you've had a chance to relax a little and recharge. Play around a little. Or at least remember when you did play around. Think back to your childhood and things you did back then which made you happy. Focus in on the emotions you felt and seek out those experiences which left you feeling more confident, content, and like you were doing what you were meant to do. Take note of these things no matter how silly you think they are now. What trends do you notice? Examine the evidence. Even if you're not feeling very passionate right now about anything, this doesn't mean you've always felt this way. Think back to the last time you felt really great. What were you doing? What about this experience sticks out in your mind? Passion is everywhere if you look. Even better, by figuring out what things you'd felt passionate about recently, you can maybe figure out what will make you feel passion today. Try stuff. Passion doesn't surface very often when you're just sitting around watching TV. You have to get out and do things. We find passion all the time when we try new things. What kinds of things have you always wanted to try? Now is definitely the time to try them. Worried about failing? Wouldn't it be worse to lose out on something you might be very passionate about someday just because you were too afraid to try? In all of this, you're going to notice one very important common denominator. Everything here involves a fair amount of reflection. When you closely examine your emotions alongside the events of the past, you're going to start seeing little bursts of joy and excitement all over the place. These are places passion can grow. They only need you to nurture them.